Hello, my name is Mehmet from CAB's Application Lab. Today I would like to introduce you our Xeno3 type plate marking system. Xeno3 will be delivered turnkey. Carry handles on both sides of the device make it easy to place it. Due to its compact design, Xeno3 fits with desktop operations. Laser source, control unit and marking chamber are integrated in one housing according to the laser safety class 1. For easy operation, you will find push buttons and status display at the front side of the device. An emergency stop button, status indicators, on and off button, and a start button for the laser marking process. The safety door opens the marking chamber from the front, so you have free access, for example, to load the magazine. In the marking chamber there is the scan head, a LED lighting, the magazine, an output magazine for the marked plates, the suction nozzle for the fume extractor, and 2 sensors checking the filling level. Furthermore, there is a button to eject single type plates, and a reference button to teach new formats. The marking can be observed through the protective window on the front of the device. The integrated pilot laser is a great help to position the layout on the type plate. At the back side of the device there is the power supply connector, the main switch to shut the system on and off, a digital interface to control and monitor the fume extraction unit, an Ethernet port to connect to the PC with the installed laser marking software, and a second Ethernet port to communicate with a local network. An emergency stop connector to connect the laser marking system in a host control system, a connector for an external start signal, and an external power supply for digital signals. On the right hand side of the back, the tube for the fume extraction will be connected. Feel free to contact us or find further information on our website www.cab.de.